Yeah, this is for MA1 1H paper, like November 2024 paper we are going to do. So the first question going to be, the table shows some of information about the hour rate of pay of 60 workers. Okay, first question, the model class. So the most repeated frequencies go model class. So here is the model class. So most repeated frequency, this is the class. So we take 10 less than P less than or equal to 15. Okay, next, work out an estimate of mean hourly rate. Okay, so we need to find out the mean. So we are taking the midpoint of this interval and multiply with the frequency. The first one, the midpoint 10 and 15, which is 12.5. 12.5 times 18 equal to 225. Next, 17.5 times 16, which is 280. Next, 22.5 times 14 equal to 315, and 27.5 times 8 is going to be 220, and 32.5 times 4, which is equal to 130. When we add up all this, sum is 1170. So finding the mean, so total is 1170 over the frequency is going to be 60. So when we divide by 60, the answer is 19.5. So the answer is 19.5. Okay, so we go for second question. Use a ruler and compass, construct a bisector ABC. So first we need to fix a compass here, the corner. So make it like more than half here and here. Cut. You should not change the measurement. The same measurement we need to cut here and here. Next, we need to fix a compass, the needle here. So take more than half. So just cut here the same measurement. Use this other side. Cut here. So just we connect here to here. This is called the bisector. So this angle and this angle must be same. So this is the bisector to draw. Okay, next question. Simplify PQ power. This is P power 15. Okay, so next expand and simplify. So we expand here, which is, first we expand 8n square plus 6n plus n square minus 4n, which is 9n square plus 2n. Answer is 9n square plus 2n. The next one, solve x. Okay, first we bring 3 to other side, which is 2x plus 5 equal to 12 minus 3x. So I'll bring 3x here. 2x plus 3x equal to 12 minus 5. So 5x equal to 7, x equal to 7 over 5. The answer is 7 over 5. Next question. It's a Venn diagram question. So list the members of set B. Set B, so only set B circles 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Next to A intersection B, the common element, which is 3 and 7. Now next list of the elements other than A. Other than A is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. These are the elements other than A. Okay, so question 5, the diagram shows a cylinder. Okay, cylinder radius and height is given, so we need to find the volume. Cylinder volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, which is pi times radius is 70. So 70 square times 18, here. So when we calculate, we'll get 277088472 like centimeter cube. So next we need to change the answer. Give your answer in the liters. Correct nearest liter. Okay, centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So when we divide by 1000, we'll get 277.088. Okay, so which is so when we round up nearest, so 277 liters. The correct answer is 277 liters. Okay, the next question. Find the highest common factor HCF. So we know HCF, we need to find the least exponent one. So when we compare all two, so least one is 2 square times. So when you compare all the 5's, which is 5 square is the least. So 5 square. When you compare A, so A. 11, there is no common element. So which is, this is the HCF. So write your answer as a product of prime factors. So this is the answer, 2 square. 7. Okay, so next one. Next question. Shop A and Shop B have the offer buying the same type of laptop. Okay, so Shop A and Shop B is given. This shop gives the more money off their normal price. So first question. First Shop A, normal price is 475, 16% is off. So Shop A is going to be 475 times, so 16% off, which is 84 by 100. So we'll write 0.84 equal to 390. So just we calculate uh, 475 times, so 399 here for this amount. Okay, this is Shop A. Next we calculate for Shop B. Shop B, 15% off, but pay for 408. So the original amount will take as a X normal amount times 15% off, which is 85. So 85 by 100, 0.85 equal to, we are getting 408. Now normal price. Okay, so here no need to find this one. See, our paying amount is given 408. Here the paying amount is 399. So shop A gives the more money off. Offer. Because here paying amount is given 408. Here the paying amount is 399. So we are paying less for shop A. Okay, so the next question. Factorize x square plus 5x minus 24. See, multiply time we have to get negative 24. Addition time we have to get 5, which is the numbers are 8 and 3. So here x, there is a greater, so x plus 8 and x minus 3 are the factors. Okay, the next one, the same equation, just solve the equation. So x plus 8 into x minus 3 equal to 0, whether x plus 8 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So here is x equal to negative 8 and here is x equal to 3. So the solution is x equal to negative 8 and x equal to 3. Next one, solve the inequality here. Okay, 3y plus 5 greater 7y minus 10. So I'll bring 10 this side. So 5 plus 10 is greater than 7y minus 3y. 15 greater than 4y. So I'll swap this side. 4y is less than 15. So y is less than 15 over 4. Y is less than 15 over 4. Okay, so the next question I'll write in ordinary form. Oh, 8.4. So if it's my negative, so we need to go back. So it is 1, then we should add 4 zeros. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 4. This is the ordinary number. Okay, next one. Yeah, product of both. So 6.5 times 8 times 10 power minus 40 times 10 power 185. So 6.8 times 8, which is 52, times 10 power 185 minus 40, which is 145. So when you go for standard form, so which is 5.2 times 10 power 146. So 5.2 times 10 power 146 is the answer. Okay, the next question is a similarity question. Okay, first I'll take in triangle DEF, the bigger triangle DEF. Here, no side is common to find the scale factor, so at least one side. So I'm going to find first AB and I'm going to get the ED using Pythagoras. Okay, so here, yeah, ED square equal to 51 square minus 24 square. ED equal to square root of 51 square minus 24 square, which is ED. Yeah, ED equal to 45. Okay, so next, yeah, finding, so yeah, they are in similar, two similar triangles. So finding the scale factor ED by, okay, scale factor equal to DE by AB, which is 45 over 7.5 equal to 6. So we got the scale factor is 6. Okay, now we'll find out x. X equal to 24 over 6. So therefore x equal to 24 over 6. The answer is 4. So x equal to 4. Okay, so the next question, complete the table. Okay, so we can use calculator. We get the answers. When you put x equal to 0.5, we get the answer 5. Then when you put 1, you get 4. This is 8.5. And when you put 5, you'll get 10.4. Okay, so next we'll plot this on the grid. First is 0.5, 5, 0.5, 5. So it is here. Okay, next 1, 4. 1, 4 is going to be here. The next point is 2, 5. 2, 5 again is here. The next point 3 and 6.7. 6 and 7. 6.7, 6.5, 6.7 approximate here. Next is 4 and 8.5. We have 4 and 8.5. 4 and 8.5 is here. Next, 5 and 10.4. 10.5, 10.2, 10.4. Okay, next 6 and 12.3. 6 and 12.3 here. Okay, so we need to draw a curve. This is going to be, it's not clear. Okay, so just draw a curve. Okay, should not be a straight line, should be a freehand curve. Okay, The next question, question number 12. We need to find here DC. Okay, so first I'm taking triangle, small triangle, triangle ABD, triangle ABD. I'm going to find BD first. So tan, see this is adjacent and this is opposite, so I need to use tan because SOH, CAH and TOA. So opposite and adjacent involve for tan. So tan 47 degree equal to BD over 4250. Okay, so yeah, 4250 times tan 47 degree equal to BD. So BD equal to will get like 4557.5670. Next, I'll go for bigger triangle, like big triangle. So triangle ABC. Here again, I'm going to find BC, the entire side, the base. So opposite and adjacent. Again, I'm going to use tan 24. So tan 24 degree equal to 4250 over the entire BC. So I calculate this side. So BC equal to 4250 over tan 24 degree, which is 9545.6562. So actually we need to find out CD. We need to find out CD. CD equal to BC minus BD. So 9545 minus 0.6562 minus BD is 4557.56. Okay, so we get the answer 4988.089. So the answer is asked given the nearest integer. So the answer is going to be 4988 meter. Okay, the next question is a 13th question. The probability that Thomas get to work early is, yeah, Thomas get to work early is Saturday is 0.7. And if Thomas get to work early on Saturday, the probability of getting on Sunday early is 0.9. Okay. If Thomas does not get up early in the Saturday, the probability that he will get up Sunday on 0.6. So 0.7, if Thomas probability of will getting early is 0.9. Okay, so here is 0.7, here must be 0.3, and here is 0.9, here must be 0.1. So if he's not get up early on Sunday, get work on Sunday. Okay, that's this one going to be 0.6. So here is 0.4. Okay, so work out the probability that Thomas gets to work early on both Saturday and Sunday. So we need to go for this path both early. So 0.7, and again here we need to go this path. So 0.7 times 0.9, which is equal to 0.63. 0.63 is the correct answer. Okay, so the next question is a bound. It's an inverse proportional question. Proportional question. Okay, B is inversely proportional to the square of D. So B is inverse proportional to square D square. Okay, so B equal to, we can write K by D square. So we have values B equal to 0.25 equal to K over 12 square. So 0.25 times 12 square equal to k. So k equal to, we get 30, 36. 36 equal to k. Okay, so now we'll substitute back here. B equal to 36 over d square. That's answer. Find the formula. It would be in terms of d. Okay, so next question. Yeah, just expanding. First, I'll multiply here and here. So the answer is 6x square minus 3x, then 5x plus 4. Now expand 30x cube plus 24x square minus 15x square minus 12x, which is 30x cube plus 9x square minus 12x. This is the final answer. 30x cube plus 9x square minus 12x. Okay, so the next question. OABP is the sector of the circle. So OAB is given. Area of the triangle is OAB. The area, this area is given. Yeah, this triangle area is given. Work out the area of this sector. The entire sector we need to find out. Okay. Here we know this is on the circle. This is going to be radius OA, OA and OB are the radius. So we'll take as X. Okay, so we go for area. Area, the trigonometry area formula, half AB. So both the sides in this side will, this is X. This also we have taken as X. So we'll write half A times B into sine 50 degree equal to the area is given already, which is 120 degree. So x square equal to 120 degree times 2 over sine 50. So we get x square equal to 313.2977. So we'll take square root. X equal to square root of 313.2977. So x equal to 17.7. Okay, so now we got the x, now we got the side. So we go for formula. Area of the sector. Area of the sector is theta by 360 times pi r square. So theta is given 50 over 360 times pi into 17.7 square. So when we calculate, so the answer is 136. 136.6985. So three significant figures, so we need to round off. So 137 is the answer. 137 centimeters square. Okay, so the next question, square root of 675 in the form of n of 27. So the square root of 675, so we can write 675 when we divide. So 5 and 135. So next again 5 is 27. So we got 27. So we can write 5 square times 27, which is 5 root 27. Yeah, the final answer is 5 square root of 27. Still we can go for further, but they told to stop here. So we'll stop this place. Okay, so the next question. Yeah, show that in this form. Okay, so this will rationalize the denominator 5 minus root 2 by root 2 minus 1. So we'll take opposite sign, the denominator 1, or root 2 plus 1 over root 2 plus 1. So numerator, when we multiply, we'll get 5 root 2, then plus 5, the minus 2 minus root 2 over here denominator a plus b times a minus b. So we multiply root 2 minus 1 times root 2 plus 1. We get the numerator is going to be 5 root 2 minus root 2 is going to be 4 root 2. 5 minus 2 plus 3 over here we'll get square minus 1 square, which is equal to 4 root 2 plus 3 over 2 minus 1, which is equal to 4 root 2 plus 3 by 1. So the final answer 4 root 2 plus 3. So which is in the form a plus b root 2. So 3 plus, the final answer is 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay, so next is a histogram question. So here frequency density is given. So what we need to find, work out the estimate for the fraction of the students who took between 20 to 60 minutes. 20 to 60 minutes. Only this we need to find the fraction. Okay, so frequency density formula is frequency over the width. Here density is given. Here we need to find the frequency. Frequency equal to frequency density times width. Okay, here first we'll find out how many students there in. How many students there in 0 to 10? So 0 to 10, the width is going to be 10 and this point is 1.5. So frequency density times width. So 1.5 times the width is going to be 10. So here is 10 students. And next one, 10 to 25. There are 15. Yeah. The interval is 15 times 0.8. This is 0.8. 15 times 0.8 is going to be 12. Here is 12 students. Next is a 5. 25 to 30 is a 5. 5 times 4 is, here are 20 students. And here 30 to 60, the interval is 30. 30 times 2.5, this is 2.5, which is 75 students. Next is 60 to 65, there are only, the interval is 5. 5 times 4.5, which is 23. So when we add up all the total number of students, is 10 plus 12 plus 20 plus 75 plus 23, which is 145. Okay, so the question they asked in the fraction of between 20 to 60 minutes. 20 to 60 here is 20 to 60. Sorry, 20 to 60 is here. We need to calculate here as well. So now here is a 5. 5 times 0.8, which is 4 students here. Okay, so now we have to write between 20 to 60 minutes. 20 to 60 minutes. So first 4 plus 20 plus 75, which is 24 plus 75 is 99. So here is 99. So the required fraction is out 99 out of total number of students 145. Here is like uh, 20 to 60 minutes. Okay, the fraction is 99 out of 145. 99 out of 145 is the answer. Okay, the next question, the arithmetic series, the first term is a and the common difference is d. Okay, the sum of first 30 terms, okay, so is given is 30. Yes, 30 equal to 4395. Next, the sum of 10th term and 20th term. So that means A10 plus A20 equal to 284. We need to find sum of first to 45 sum. So we need to find S45. Okay, so I'll go for S30. S30, the sum of the nth term formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here I am using sum of nth term, which is 30 divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 30 minus 1 into 29d, yeah, equal to 4395. So which is 15 into 2a plus 29d equal to 4395. Next, 2a plus 29d equal to 4395 divided by 15, which is 293. This is our first equation. Okay, so next I'm going for this term A10. A10 is, we can take a plus n minus 1 d, which is 9d, plus A20 is again a plus 19d equal to 284. So a plus a, 2a plus 19 plus 9, which is 28. D equal to 284. This is my second equation here. Okay, so I just write below here 2a plus 28d equal to 284. So two equations, I'll subtract both the equations. 2a minus 2a becomes 0. 29 minus 28 is going to be 1. So d equal to 293 minus 284, 639. So I got d equal to 9. This d value, substitute in one of the equations. So I'll substitute in the second equation 2a plus 28 into 9 equal to 284. So 2a equal to 284 minus 28 times 9, which is 252. 25, this is 284. Okay, so here this is we'll get 32. 2a equal to 32, a equal to 16. Okay, so now we got a equal to 16 and d equal to 9. We need to find S45. So S45 equal to 45 over 2 into 2 times a, which is 32 plus 45 minus 1, 44 times 9. When we calculate, we'll get 9630. That's answer, 9630. Okay, question number 20. The curve with equation y equal to 2x power 4 minus 64x has the minimum point. Okay, so minimum point means is like turning point. Turning point we go for always dy by dx equal to, so 4 times 2, 8x cube minus 64. The turning point always the gradient is going to be 0. 8x cube minus 64. So 8x cube equal to 64, x cube equal to 8, x equal to cube root of 8, so x equal to 2. We got x equal to, so we can find the y point. So just be substitute in the given equation, y equal to 2 into 2 power 4 minus 64 into 2. So we'll get the answer is negative 96. So negative 96. This is going to be the minimum point. Minimum point is going to y-axis. We'll check maximum point and minimum point. We'll check in y-axis. So the graph is going to be like this. So this is going to be the minimum somewhere. So the point is going to be 2 and negative 96. The question is find the equation of the tangent. So the tangent line is going to this way for the minimum point. So this line equal to y equal to negative 96. So the answer is y equal to negative 96. Okay, the next question is a bound question. Calculate the upper bound of this value. Upper bound is means the greatest one. So the numerator going to be upper bound and denominator going to be lower bound. So t equal to upper bound of 28.4, which is 20, yeah, 28.45. 28.45 square plus upper bound of y square. Y is 17.5. 17.5 square over, so we'll get the lower bound, so nearest is 2, so 2.5 up and 2.5 down. So when 2.5 less, which is 87.5, so when we calculate we'll get 12.8. The answer is going to be 12.8. Okay, next question 22. The diagram shows a bowl of the hemisphere. Okay, bowl made for metal. Okay, outer radius is given, inner radius is given, thickness of the bowl. So we need to find only the volume of between outer and inner volumes. Okay, so first I'll find volume of the outer hemisphere. Yeah, volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, volume of the hemisphere equal to that I can make it half down 2 by 3 pi r cube. So now first I'll find out the outer one, which is, okay, I'll write the volume of the metal equal to outer volume is going to be 2 by 3 into pi into outer is 12. So 12 cube minus the inner volume going to be 2 by 3 into pi into 9 cube, which is 1152 pi minus 486 pi. Here is after subtraction we'll get 666 pi. So when we change into decimal, so when we apply pi, 2092.8 will get. Okay, so the question asked nearest whole number, so it's going to be 2093. Okay, the next question, the curve she has the equation y square minus 8x minus 9, a straight line. L has the equation y equal to k. Okay, so yeah, C and L both intersect. See here y value is same. So that means yeah, curve is passing through here, a straight line passing through. Here is the point of A, here is the point of B. Okay, so this is P comma K and this is Q comma K. Okay, both the x-axis the difference is given, which is 14. Okay, find the value of k. So first the given equation is going to be y equal to x square minus 8x minus 9. The next is given y equal to k, so I'll substitute here k equal to x square minus 8x minus 9. Now I'll bring everything to one side, which is x square minus 8x minus 9. Yeah, minus k equal to 0. Here now I cannot factorize here finding the x values, but I can do uh, x square minus 8x. I'll bring minus common, 9 plus k equal to 0. So I'll compare with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 1 and B equal to negative 8 and C equal to negative of 9 plus K. Using quadratic formula, minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A x equal to. Okay, so x equal to minus B minus of minus 8 plus or minus square root of B square, which is minus 8 whole square, then minus 4 into A, then minus of 9 plus K by 2. So x equal to, this is 8 plus or minus square root of 64. Okay, so when we minus of minus is plus, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 4k over 2. So x equal to 8 plus or minus square root of what I'll get, yeah, 100 plus 4k over 2. From here, I can do 8 plus or minus here 4. I'll take bracket out, which is 25 plus k over 2. So next step, 8 plus or minus 2 square root of 25 plus k over 2. I'll bring 2 out, which is 4 plus square root of 25 plus k over 2. This 2 got cancelled. Okay, so here the plus or minus. So final answer x equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 25 plus k. Okay, this is the final answer. So now I'll separate like my two values. One is x equal to 4 plus square root of 25 plus k, and another value is x equal to 4 minus square root of 25 plus k. So yeah, now we'll go back our question. See both the x values, one is p, one is k, one is p and one is q. So I'll write one value is p. The first value is going to be p. P equal to 4 plus square root of 25 plus k, and q equal to 4 minus square root of 25 minus k. Now p minus q, we do p minus q. P minus q equal to what is given in the question? P minus q equal to 14. So p minus q equal to 14. So p equal to 4 plus square root of 25 plus k minus here 4 minus square root of 25 minus plus k equal to 14. Okay, so now I'll expand 4 square 25 plus k minus 4 plus square root of 25 plus k equal to 14. 4 got cancelled. 2 into square root of 25 plus k equal to 14. When I take 2 the other side, square root of 25 plus k equal to 7. So I'll square both the sides. When I square both the sides, what I'll get, yeah, 25 plus k equal to 7 square. Okay, so I'll write here 25 plus k equal to 49, k equal to 49 minus 25, which is equal to 24. Yeah, k answer is 24. Okay, so the next question going to be, yeah, OA is a vector question. OAB is a triangle. Okay, OA and OB is given. OA is 10A here, OB is like 10B here, and AP is 1/4 of AB. So first I'll find out AB. Okay, I'll find out AB here. AB equal to AO plus OB, which is AO minus 10A plus 10B. That is AB. So here is going to be 1. AP is 1/4 of minus 10A plus 10B, and here is the rest. Here is 1. That means the remaining going to be 3/4 here. 3/4 of minus 10A plus 10B here. Okay, so next ARQ and ORP are straight lines. Okay, first we need to find AQ. AQ. Okay, so in the down part also we need to calculate OQ. OQ is 1/5 of OB. OQ is 1/5 of OB. 1/5 of 10B is going to be 2B. Next, QB equal to, then this become 4/5 of 10B. 4/5 of 10B is going to be 8B. Okay, so now AQ. AQ is AO plus OQ. AO plus OQ, which is negative 10A, and OQ. OQ is 2B. This is the final answer, negative 10A plus 2B. Negative 10A plus 2B for this. Next, we need to find OP. Yeah, OP equal to OB plus BP. So OB plus BP. OB is 10 OB. OB. Okay, 10B plus 3/4 of 10B plus 3/4 of BP. BP, so we need to, actually we found first AB, so we have to go for the reverse opposite sign, which is 3/4 of plus 10A minus 10B. 10A minus 10B. So 10B plus 3/4 of 10A minus 3/4 of 10B. Okay, which is now, yeah, so 10B, this one, the 4, and this is 2, this is 5, minus 15B by 2, minus 15B by 2, then this one here also same, this is 2, this is 5, 15 by 2A. Okay, so when we calculate, so we get it 10B minus 15B, make LCM, make a denominator same, which is 20B minus 15B. 20 minus 15 is 5B over 2 plus 5B over 2 plus what you will get, 20 minus yeah, 20 minus 15, this is, sorry, 15, yeah, plus 15 by 2, yeah, this is the answer for OP. Actually, we made a LCM of this area. LCM become actually 20B minus 15B by 2. That's why I got 5B by 2. Okay, so next we need to find OR. OR is going to be ratio. So I am going to find two ORs. One is OR equal to OQ plus QR. Okay, the first one OR equal to, so I'll write OQ plus QR. Another OR is going to be, another OR I can write, yeah, some ratio of OP. So I'll take n some ratio of OP vector. So here also we need to put vector, vector. Okay, so now OQ equal to 2b and QR equal to some vector of AQ. Okay, so I'll write 2b plus m some vector of AQ. Some vector of QA. So which is 2b plus m into, already we know AQ, now QA is going to be negative, so 10a minus 2b. 10a minus 2b. Okay, so here I'll expand 2b plus 10am minus 2bm. Okay, so I'll go for another OP. OP already we done, which is n into 5b by 2 plus 15 by 2a. So that's OP. I'll expand here 5bn by 2 plus 15 an by 2. This is OR. Both are OR, so I'm going to equate both the equations as 2b plus 10am minus 2bm equal to 5bn by 2 plus 15an by 2. Okay, so here rearranging 10am plus b into 2 minus 2m equal to, yeah, the same 5bn by 2 plus 15an by 2. Okay, now comparing both the terms, first a terms I'll compare. When I compare, what I'll get, 10m. Okay, so I'm writing comparing. Yeah, when I comparing, first a terms, a term is 10m equal to 15 by 2, 15 by 2 n. This is a term. Okay, next I'll compare b terms. Uh, 2 minus 2m equal to 5 by 2 n. Okay, so now here what I can make, I'll bring the 2 here, 20m equal to 15n is become 20m minus 15n equal to 0. The right side one, 4 minus 4m equal to 5n. So it become 5n plus 4m equal to 4. It's a simultaneous equation. So first I'll write this equation, which is, okay, I'll write it here. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. First I'll write equation 1. 20m minus 15n equal to 0. I'm making m term is same, so I'll multiply equation 2 by equation 2 by 4. So which is 20m plus 4m minus, okay, multiply by, 20m plus 25n equal to um, well, this one I need to multiply with the 5 here. 20m plus 25n equal to 20. So when I subtract both the equations, this will be cancelled. So this is going to be negative 40n equal to negative 20. So n equal to negative 20 by negative 40. So n equal to 1 by 2. So I got n. So now we go for OR. So we need to find OR. OR equal to 1 by 2 of OP. OR equal to 1 by 2 of OP. So 1 by 2 of OP already we know, which is 5b by 2. Yeah, 5b by 2 plus 15a by 2. So the final answer going to be 5b by 4 plus 15a by 4. So this is the final answer. OR equal to 15a by 4 plus 5b by 4. Yeah, this is the final answer for this question. Okay, so next question 25. There's a function f is such that, so we need to find the inverse. Okay, x is greater than or equal to 6. We need to find the inverse. Okay, first y equal to 2x square minus 24x plus 7. We'll change x and y, which is x equal to 2y square minus 24y plus 7. So we'll make a completing the square. Otherwise, we cannot make it make a subject of y. So we'll do completing the square equal to, so minus 24y. So make it half, which is 24. Okay, no, we cannot do. So just a minute. Okay, we'll bring a 2 out as common. Yeah, so I'll bring a common 2 out. Y square minus 12y plus 7 by 2. So now we'll start completing the square process. Y square minus 12y, okay, plus 6 square minus 6 square plus 7 by 2, which is 2 into y minus 6 whole square minus 36 plus 7 by 2, which is 2 into y minus 6 whole square minus 36 times 2, 72. 72 minus 72 plus 7, which is negative 65 over 2. Now I'll bring the 2 inside. 2 into y minus 6 whole square minus 2 and 2 will be cancelled. This is 65. Now this is x. Okay, now we'll make subject of y. Okay, I'll bring this 65 here. So x plus 65 equal to 2 into y minus 6 whole square. Now I'll bring the 2 here. X plus 65 over 2 equal to y minus 6 whole square. Now I'll remove the square, so it's become a square root of this side. So x plus 65 over 2 equal to y minus 6. So the next step, I'll bring the 6 here, square root of x plus 65 over 2 plus 6 equal to y. So this is our f inverse of x. So f inverse of x is square root of x plus 65 over 2 plus 6. The plus 6 should be outside. So this is the final answer. Yeah, we finished the paper. Yeah, it's out of 100 marks.